Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna see some cool home gadgets and cleaning and organizing hacks. So this is the first clip. We'll see the tools this lady using in her beautiful apartment. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your shoes. We've got this small folding washing machine you can use for laundry. You can also dry up your clothes using this amazing washing machine. We've got this electric pan you can use for cleaning, cooking food, and we've got this one. You can use it for preparing noodles. Let's see what's in this fridge. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is a juicer you can use for making different types of juice. That's dragon juice. We've got this tool you can use for defrosting meat, and we've got this small fan you can use anywhere at home. You can stick it to the wall. It's really convenient. And we've got this mirror you can use for your glasses. This is a cabinet or closet you can use for your sandals. This is a smart washing machine. All these gadgets and appliances are available on Amazon, Alibaba, and AliExpress. You can also find them on Temu. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. We've got this air freshener. This is a tool you can use for brushing your dirt. This is another tool you can use for cleaning the ceiling. You can also use it for cleaning the walls. It's really helpful. We've got this beautiful bookcase or cupboard. This is another sponge you can use for cleaning your shoes. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is another beautiful cabinet or closet. We've got this plastic box you can use for organizing small stuff like accessories. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. It's really helpful. You can hang your clothes in the closet, and you can also organize them very well. We've got these plastic boxes you can use for organizing your fruits and vegetables in your fridge. We've got this egg holder you can use for your eggs. It's really cool. If you need any product, just type the name of the product you want to buy on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, or Temu. All these products are available on these websites, and you can order them there. This is a basket. We've got this tool you can use for defrosting meat. This is another dispenser. You can use this one for storing cereals. It's really helpful. If you have watched this clip, you like the video, you share it with your friends, and you drop a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, do it now. Okay, so this is another gadget. We've got this blender. This is the package. She's gonna unbox all these products. We'll see all these beautiful tools we have in this beautiful apartment. This is the first one. We have started unboxing these products. This is such a small washing machine. We've got this one you can use for drying up your shoes. This is another blend. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning walls and windows. This is like a small piece of cloth you can use for cleaning your stuff in the kitchen. You can use it for cleaning other items in your house. We've got this leash she's doing the this is an electric tool you can use for washing of your clothes. This is plastic box you can use for organizing your clothes and other stuff like small accessories. This is another small washing machine. It's very convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. This is a hair dryer. We've got this rack you can use for samples.